Happy New
Magandang buhay mga tugang! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Teacher Dig! Yehey! Happy New Year mga tugang! Happy 2026! So today we are going to celebrate our New Year in Bicol. Pero bago yan, we are going to attend the wedding of my sister, Ate May and Ismael. Enjoy watching mga tugang!
Ay.
3 days later.
Anong araw? Hello. Anong cook mo? Down. International chef. Kel. Tito Cherry, Tito Cherry. Lola. Ano ka, bebe? Kel.
Ito na nga, dito na magsisimula ang aming paggawa ng sushi. Sushi time!
Ito ang tinatawag na nori sheet. Galing sa Japan. Lalagay tayo ng kanin sa nori sheet. Kunin ang kanin. Anong nilagay natin mga bata? Very good.
He is putting water on the rice. And for the rice, you need vinegar rice. You don't need ordinary. You have to mix vinegar and rice. And then you flip the nori sheet with rice and put cucumber, mango, and crab stick and any topping you want. And then you roll DIY rolling mat. You can buy one at Mr. DIY or you can make one yourself at home. And then you slowly wrap it into circle roll until you make sushi. After that, you will cut the sushi into parts. We are making a smaller one because the first one was too thick. And this guy is Oko. Is the mother of Ezekiel. And then this is the chef. He is making smaller sushi. But you can also use different fillings like ham, egg, and lettuce. This is crab stick. You may cook the crab stick, but some people say it's better raw, not cooked. And now we've made 3 sushi. Now this is a new sushi. We are going to put the lettuce, egg, ham, and then just like we did earlier, we're going to roll it. This one might be tricky to roll because the egg is crumbly and the ham is very fragile.
Are you dictionary?
And then we repeat. It tastes good. It's very Now we will put everything together. The ham, the egg, crab stick, the cucumber, and the lettuce. We will make one with no rice. Just the ingredients. Ham, egg, crab stick, lettuce, and
At
cucumber.
dito na nga, nagtatapos ang aming paggawa ng sushi. Thank you for watching!
Wow! We're tasting Cathedral. So, ano nga verdict niyo? Siram? Masiram.
Yummy.
Wow. Yummy.
A few moments.
Kuman ka.
Po.
Bakit?
12 months.
Wow.
One hour later.
Hi!
Wave ka, wave.
Ito na yan. Denda.
Nasaro.
Meanwhile,
New Year! Yeah, galing ah!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Yeah, galing ah! Ay, nainot ka kuya! Oh, sakto! Galing! Oh, may 100 ka. Late ka, late. Ha? Sakto? Wow! Galing! Oy, sakto! Sinong dikit PRC? Silinggit? O, sali, picture ka mo, picture. So, primero makapukpuk, sanggatos. So, ikaduwang makapukpuk, 200. So, kaya ito... so, ito lang makapukpuk, 100. O, dali, game. Go! Oh! Dali ka pa, pa. Dali ka. Oh! Ate!
meanwhile,
Oh, ini puro barya. Ngunyan, dapat mahulaanin do kung pira ang laog kainin na barya. Pag nahulaan mo, sumakahula sa iya na. Pero kung daing makahula kung eksakto talaga, so haraning number kung pira ini. Nearest number kung pira. Siya pira. 100 si siya. 200 435. 500 sakto. Sige. 350. Pag saktong bilang, may dagdag na surprise na premyo.
Over naman sa wow.
365.
Nabilang minaan.
May pansin ko!
Nay, dali, mag-intra ka. 230.
Nagpabarya ka sa akin. 75.
375.
15.
415. Manay.
260.
Ha? Ano pagisilag mo dyan?
320 na po.
320 kay Papa.
345. 5 ka mo.
315.
300.
Mayroon na ho. Mayroon na.
Kaya nga, pagpare-parehas, barang asinda. Okay, 390. Okay, next, si Say Panda eh. Manay, ikaw na, Manay Leia. 335. 500. O, sige. 500. Oh, 500. Parehas sinda, 500. Okay. So, tandaan niyo gusto number nindo, ha? Okay. O, ngunyan, sa laugang papel, ituon su number kung pira ang laog kainin. Sige, buksan ko na, ha? Kung ang papel. Binilang naan, siyempre. Di ba giling kuya? Ang laog kay ni ay 443 and 95 centavos. Kisa ang harani? Si Eugene! 435. Oh, kuya, sa iyo mo naan. Oh, 443. Yung kuya. Oh, arkaning ibo na. Banggit ako yung kulay. So, babanggit kong kulay, dapat dainindo makaputan. Halimbawa, nagsabi ako, itom. Dapat sa itom, dainindo makaputan. Pag nakaputan nyo ang itom, out ka na.
Violet.
O, out ka na, kuya.
White.
Out ka na.
Left. Black. Yellow. Green. Orange.
Out ka na, pe. Pe, ano?
Yellow. Black.
Out ka na, pe.
White. Black. Green. Pink. Green.
Out ka na, kuya.
White. Black.
Out ka na. Oh, may consolation kami.
Black. Green. Pink. White.
Oh, out ka na. Okay.
Yellow.
Oh, bangga na si RJ! RJ. Don't touch the color. Masigat dapat inita. Gururang na ka mo. Ha? Okay, don't touch the color. Green, red, violet, blue, green, yellow. Out ka naman ay! Green, yellow, purple, orange, black, yellow, white, purple, green, black, white.
Black. Violet. White. Orange. Pink. Green. White. Pink.
Orange, pink, black, white.
Gray. White. Pink. Green. Green. Black.
Out!
The color black. Blue. Yellow. Green. Green.
Okay, ang nanggana, 200. ka, consolation? Sa tulo. Tulo ba ganito? 200. Sa tulo. Ay, sa tulo. Sige. Oh, out. In. Out. Out. Oh, out ka na, Sky. Left. Ah! Isa yung out. Oh, out. Ito na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anom na lang, anom. Left! Ah! Oh, tama. In. Out ka na. Apat. Ah, sige, dapat may may matanggal na saro. Tilo ang manggagana. Out! Ay, ang galing. Di ba ni Kuya? Oh. In. Left. Oh! Out si Faye. Ay, congratulations. 1, 2, 3. In. Left. Be, out ka na, Be. Okay. Out. 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 In. Restart mo na si Lawado. Okay, next. In. Out. Ano, boy? In. Right. Out ka na. Okay, ang consolation prize mo ay... consolation prize. Ang gagana ka mo, kitig, 100. 100. 100. Dahil na. 100. Yeah. Okay. Kay puan lang ki 20 participants. Yan, painutan. Okay, pila. Painutan. 5 pa. Oh. Bawal buksan ang ampaw. Kaputan ini.
Kung ano sa iyo, yun ito.
Dayan, maparalitan iyo. Diyan pagbilang diyan. Yun ang sa imo na. Okay, day pag anon sa ibabaw araw buyo day pag sila ka. Happy New Year. Pasa. 1, 2. 13, 14, 15, 16. May pasa. 32. Okay, last. Okay. Giriras no. Pan-display nga niya.
3 hours later.
Happy New Year! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ay, na. Kapit man. Safe ang New Year, ta. Hoy, kill ka mo.
A few moments.
Happy New Year to all.
Happy New Year!
New Year happy.
Happy New Year, ate.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Papa. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. No. I love you so much.
Happy New Year! I love you all!
Happy New Year, Gil.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year po!
Yung cook, napagod ang cook. Wasabi, 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, wasabi. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
A few moments.
Oh, Happy New Year. Happy birthday. Wow! Oh, picture. May surprise sila, mama, may surprise. Wow! Jim. Next, Ellie. Cesar. Pogi. Liam. RC. Hey. Ano kaya yan, Pei? Cherry. Be. Ano kaya yan? Hello. Ano pa din nahiling? Baba mo. Miguel Isila. Be. Ano mo na eh? Gayuno na. Ate Tina. What? Pao. Merry Christmas. Krisha. Di ko ang parong kaini pero ano pa bang? Kane. Yes! Garo kali sa purpose na nag-sound ka. Thank you very much. Happy New Year! No, Happy New Year. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ellie. Liam. Cesar. Pang ano mo lang to Starbucks ini. Gab. Apa to si Chris Ann? Mac. Cherry. Manay. Hi, si Raymond. Oh, peras ka. Manay Leia. Hi, si Manay. Bigyan mo nga si Manay. Happy New Year sa Indo. Happy New Year. What? Say hi.
Hello.
Welcome 2026.
Wow, galing nga. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
A few moments later. The next day.
Camera, camera, camera. Kill, kill, kill. Happy New Year!
The next morning. 1 week later.
Morning! So today is our flight going to Manila. Miss ko ang balay. Na kami. Next time giraray.
Bye-bye. Ingat ka mo, Nono. Anape.
See you, boy. Message ka na lang ha. See you. Bye-bye! Tamakmak, Cherry! Magubatan, mama! Bye-bye, bye-bye! Bye! Tanda mo.
A few moments later.
Bicol.
International Airport.
Mayon, mayon. Bye, Bicol! Uy, sa may window seat ako first time. Ayun yung isa. Nasa island isa na yan.
Flashback.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Jerry! Yeah!
Oh, paldo. Didig di papa.
Ate Trisha. Ate Shem and Ate Bebe.
Ninang pala. Tindog, dig.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Juice.
Happy New Year.
I don't want.
Why?
No, that is wine.
Grape juice.
Oops.
Haring ano US. Yes! Partner, oh! Partner! Kagaling! Ang galing! Open!
O pangkain. Wap, tapos ito pa. Yay! Oh, ang dami. May suklay ka pa.
Gusto kikash! Ayun, mga pormahan ni Cherry na iling mo sa SM.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Gurang.
And a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
The next
Happy
day.
New Year.
Yeah, pagbukas ko kaya. Joke lang! Tempered glass na ang. May case ang dyan sa loob. Yeah, boy! Yay! Ulugan naman. Yes! Salamat! Hey! Salamat, Kristam! I love you!
Sana all.
End of flashback.